Hello and welcome to another video, guys. In this video I'm gonna share with you one of the best apps to earn money online for free. This app doesn't need any experience and doesn't need any professional skills to earn money online. So the app's name is Toloka. Toloka basically is a micro tasks app. So you have a group of tasks. You need to complete them so you can earn money and withdraw it into PayPal. So as you see here, in their first week, active Tolokers make up to $13. They work every day for at least 1 hour. Good. More than 50 types of tasks from 1 to 15 minutes long. Help train neural networks, develop drones, improve search engines. Interesting. Find tasks nearby, perform field tasks while taking a walk. That means, guys, that you can perform tasks like checking working hours or checking building entrance or things like that. Okay. Become a Toloker in a good standing and get rewards from requesters. To do this, read the instructions carefully. So, start. I already have an account in Toloka, but I'm gonna try to open a new one with you. I'm gonna click on add an account. So I'm gonna click on create ID. So here I need to put my phone number. I click on next. We're gonna wait for the message to confirm. Okay, my first name and my last name, and click on next. So after I've filled my first name and last name, he asks me to fill out my birthday, which is this one, and you can check on I'm willing to perform tasks with adult contact or not. That's an option. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I accept the terms and conditions of the users and continue. So I'm gonna select my country, which is Algeria. Click on continue. Which languages you can complete tasks? English, Arabic, and French. Français. Click on start earning money. So as you see here, for the first 3 tasks is an exam. Okay, you can read this term here, exam. So the first one is an exam of French, the second one is an English exam, and the third one is an Arabic exam. So before you start earning money with Toloka, you need to pass the exams for the chosen languages. After you pass the exams, you're gonna have more micro tasks to complete. Let's take an example here. Take a selfie and you're gonna have $0.05. This one is requesting a review for $0.02 to $9.49. Sorry. So this is Toloka, guys. You need just to complete the micro tasks after you pass the exams. Of course, and after you pass the exams, the average money or the average earnings will be more. Okay. Here you're seeing that I have 0. I'm gonna check on my money. There's 0. Money withdraw options is PayPal, and this Papapara. I don't know what is it, guys. And there is Pioneer. I can link my account here, and I think this is a good way to withdraw your money. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to click on like and share. I'm gonna meet in another video. Ciao.